Hello, good morning students. I am Shudipta, your English class teacher. Today I am going to give you answer of exercise chapter number 3, kinds of adjectives for class 7 students. Okay. So in this video I am just giving you only the answers, okay, and in the time of live class I will tell you and I will discuss with the question so that you will understand it. In this session, in this video, you just watch the video and you write the answer on your book with the gap by the side of that questions. If you want to write in your copy, so that no problem, you can write it. But if you want to write with a pencil on your book only, then you can do it, no problem. So here the first is learn. Question number A, create your own adjectives or quality to describe these nouns. That is large vase, melodious singer, pretty girl, wooden table, luxurious car, interesting film, tired travelers, used house, beautiful flowers, renowned poet. Read this passage from the open window by Saki. Underline the adjectives and identify the kind. The first line, that is it is demonstrative adjective, demonstrative adjective. Second is to, that is number. Third is young, that is quality. After that favorite, that is quality. After that teacher, yes, that is quality, that is demonstrative. Dreadful is quality, again dreadful, quality. Possessed, it is also quality. Poor, it is quality. Little, it is quality. Brown is quality. That demonstrative. Okay, go to next practice. Choose the appropriate adjectives to describe these nouns. Here is only the answer, okay. The golden sun, a gentle lamb, the sly fox, a thoughtful old man, the brave lion, the green meadows, a faithful dog, the tall trees, the steep mountains, a timid child. Now go to question number B. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable adjective from the box. The entire script is in an absolute mess. Even the most intelligent students make silly mistakes. The old man was advised a complete change of diet and environment. After the incident, he had to shoulder the entire responsibility of his family. I play the flute in my free time. I find it a real pleasure. The hills and the greenery are pure bliss for them. The majestic mountains and the clear skies were a welcome change after having spent months in the city. The party won the election with a thumping majority. The police asked the witness to give a true account of what he had seen that night. The film has been a commercial failure in the box office. Now, question number C. Latter older, elder, farther, latest, fast, nearest, older, farther. Complete these sentences by choosing the correct adjective of quantity or number. Also indicate which one it is. There is much talk about the principle. Here much is quantity, several is number, many is number, most is number, many is also number, much is quantity, no is number, little is quantity, some is quantity, all is number. Now go to question number E. Insert the participle adjectives in the brackets into each of these sentences. First question, the answer is already done for you. It is a problem. It is a confusing problem. I was shocked by his uncaring attitude. The strange looking couple stood out in the freezing cold. A balanced diet is essential for growing children. The trekking team was stuck in the valley after the landslide. All the children stood and admired the sparkling fireworks what lit up the sky. We rushed into the kitchen when we heard the shattering sound of glass. The firemen tried their best to save most of the burning property. This damaging job requires people with strong willpower and patience. We have no fixed working hours. Every day we accompanied father to the shooting range where we had his target practice. The chef was worried because he could not find his paring knife. Now learn. Complete this table with the correct degrees of comparison. Positive, comparative and superlative. Positive is comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable, dreadful, more dreadful, most dreadful, handsome, most handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, bold, bolder, boldest, courageous, more courageous, most courageous, less, lesser, least, dim, dimmer, dimmest. Now practice. Fill in the blanks with the comparative and superlative forms of the adjectives in the brackets. First will be young, second taller, third strongest, fourth best, fifth most expensive, sixth biggest, then important, then best, nearest, most expensive, more patent, finest, longer, simpler, more lucid. Now, each of these sentences contains an error in the use of positive, comparative and superlative adjectives. Identify them and rewrite these sentences. So here I have already corrected it. Okay, this is the better of the two songs. Who is the tallest? My work is more difficult. My parents live in the oldest house of this street. This question is more difficult than that. This is the biggest of the three boxes. The greater of the two actors will receive the award. The more miserly. She is the brightest star of the class. This is the sweetest. So the answer is completed. Okay, answer of chapter number 3, kind of adjectives, is completed. In the live class I will explain in details with the questions. Okay, so that you will come to know each and every question. Till then, bye bye, have a good day, thank you.